In today's fast-paced world, effective time management is the key to success. And the most powerful tool at your disposal is your own calendar. So let's explore how to use the potential of your calendar for effective time management. In this video, I'm going to show you the technique that I personally use every day to manage my time effectively. And this technique might not work for everyone, or some of you might already know this technique, but my goal is to at least help one person through this information. So if one person finds this information useful, I'll consider that as a success. So let's dive into my computer and I'll show you how to do this. Right, so the first things first, we need to know what task that we are working on the next day. So what I usually do is I log in 15 minutes early every morning and I sort of decide my priorities for the day. But if you don't want to log in early, then you can also do this at the end of the previous day. So I'll list out my top 3 priorities for the day, but depending on how long it's going to take you, you can have more than 3 priorities as well. But when you're first starting out, I would advise to keep your priorities as low as you can. So in this case, I've got 3 priorities, and the first priority is going to take 2 hours. The next one, it roughly will take 1 hour, and the next one will roughly take 30 minutes. So the next step is to open your calendar, and then I can see that I already have meetings in place. So I'm going to have to put things around these meetings. So I can see that I've got availability since 9:30. So I'll put something in for 9:30 to 11, and that will be my priority 1. I know I said it's going to take 2 hours, but sometimes it's good to challenge yourself and try and finish the task a bit early. If not, you can always extend that slot. And because it's my top priority, I'm going to categorize this as high importance. And now the next availability is at 1 o'clock. So I'm going to go ahead and put my priority 2 here. And that was roughly around 1 hour. So I'll give myself 50 minutes and try and challenge myself. Click on save. This is medium. And the third one will go here. Priority 3, and this was around half an hour, so I'll give myself 25 minutes. And because it's priority 3, I'll give it a low priority, because if priority 3 means if I don't finish it today, I can always carry this on tomorrow, depending on how long the previous priorities take me to complete. So one of the benefit of doing this is you know exactly what your priorities are and you have to work on. So you can go in focus modes during those specific times in the day, so you don't have any other distractions. The way I normally do is when I'm working on my priority task, I sort of try and turn off the notifications and stuff like that, so there are no distractions. Or you can always turn on the do not disturb mode or the focus mode. That will help you as well. Hope you found this video useful, and make sure you share the video with someone who you think will benefit from this information. See you in the next one.